Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max HUD. This innovative display system projects crucial driving information directly onto your windshield, keeping your eyes safely on the road. It enhances both safety and convenience by presenting vital data like your current speed, navigation directions, and even incoming call alerts right within your line of sight. Learning its simple interface will quickly transform your driving experience into something more informed and secure for you. Max HUD offers extensive customization options, allowing you to tailor the display to your individual preferences for every journey. You can select precisely which data points appear, such as your speed in miles per hour, your current fuel level, or your turn-by-turn directions. There are several preset layouts to choose from, or you can create your own unique configuration for optimal viewing. Adjusting the brightness ensures clarity, whether you are driving during bright daylight or in the darkest hours of night. To get the most from your Max HUD, ensure the projected image is perfectly aligned with your line of sight, ideally appearing about 2 meters in front of the vehicle. Initially, keep the displayed information minimal, gradually adding more data as you become comfortable with its presentation. Always prioritize road safety, using the HUD as a helpful aid, not a primary focus. A quick glance should provide all the information you need, without diverting your attention significantly from the road. Maintaining your Max HUD ensures its longevity and maintains crystal clear clarity for your data. Gently wipe the projection area with a soft, dry microfiber cloth to keep it free of dust and smudges, which can impair visibility. Periodically check for software updates, as these can introduce new features and significantly improve overall performance for your device. Diving into the advanced settings can unlock options like precise calibration or even integration with specific vehicle systems, giving you a truly bespoke driving experience over thousands of miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.